Welcome to Skincare 101. When you're formulating or when you're about to formulate a skincare product, when you're about to make a skincare product, be it a soap, a lotion, body butter, serum, oils, any type of skincare products, either for yourself or for retail, you need beakers. You need beakers, clean and sterilized or sanitized beakers. You need beakers to measure out your, you need containers, clean containers to measure out your ingredients. So like I said that I went on vacation and I'm not back home, so I couldn't get to show you all my tools, but this is what I have here. This is also very good. They are sterilized. This is like an illustration video. So you need, first of all, you need clean containers. It could be plastic, it could be glass, it could be, it could be heat-proof plastics. You need containers for measuring out your ingredients, because first of all, you need to measure out your ingredients with a measuring scale. So you need a measuring, it could be any type of measuring scale. You need a measuring scale to measure out all of your ingredients before you start formulating. And you will be measuring out your ingredients in this kind of containers. You will need glass beakers for heating up because it is heat proof. You might also use a form of mug. This is also heat proof for heating up. And you need just normal plastics containers for measuring out. If you have you can get petri dishes online. You can get stirring rods, you can get glass beakers and heat proof containers in general. And I also have this bowl. This will be for your mixing after all. So guys, that is one of those things that you would be needing to formulate a skincare product. And mind you, these containers has to be sterilized. Okay, how to sterilize your containers? First of all, you need to either use bleach solution or sterilizing tablets or isopropyl alcohol to disinfect or sanitize all your containers before use. You'll be needing some gloves because after washing your hand thoroughly, you need to put on some gloves, some medical gloves. You know, these powdered gloves. You need to put on some gloves for further safety. Then you would need, these are just essential tools that you need. You need your thermometer. This is a thermometer. This is also a thermometer. It depends on whichever one you have. This is a pen type of thermometer, and this is a normal infrared thermometer. You need to measure out the temperatures of your what's it called, mixtures before you formulate. Then you need a stick blender. This is a stick blender. This is what you use to incorporate your formulation, whether all water and oil formulation or you're making a surfactant, body wash and all that. You need a blender. You need a stick blender, and it depends on what you are making. Sometimes in some cases you also need a mixer. So another essential thing is that for the tools that you need, these basic tools that I mentioned, if you have this, like 1 2 3 4 5, like about 6 of them, if you have that, you are good to go to make a hygienically made, I don't know, skincare formulation. And lastly, guys, your work surface has to be sterilized, as clean as your work tools. Guys, please do not forget. You can check some of my videos of formulating lotions. You would understand what I'm talking about by sterilizing. Some of my videos, I include the cleaning, the sterilizing, the sanitizing and everything in that video. So if you check some of my videos, I might leave the link on the description box for you guys to see what I'm talking about. But expect the part 2 of this video where I will be practicalizing everything that I've talked about. So guys, thank you so much for taking your time out to watch this video. And like I said earlier, I would like you to drop in the comment section what you want me to post next, the kind of content you're expecting, the kind of product you want me to formulate next, and I will be glad to oblige to you.